Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable Mobile Hotspot to access Zelle and ensure you can make payments even without Wi-Fi, follow this quick guide to set up and use your device as a hotspot. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your smartphone, either iPhone or Android device. Step 2. On iPhone, tap Personal Hotspot. On Android, tap Network and Internet or Connections, then Hotspot and Tethering. Step 3. Toggle on Personal Hotspot on iPhone or Mobile Hotspot on Android to enable the feature. Step 4. Set up a secure password for your hotspot by tapping Wi-Fi password and creating a strong password. Step 5. Note your hotspot name, which is usually your device name, so you can identify it when connecting other devices. Step 6. If you're using a second device to access Zelle, connect that device to your phone's hotspot by selecting the network name and entering the password. Step 7. Open your bank's mobile app where Zelle is integrated, or open the standalone Zelle app. Step 8. Log into your Zelle account using your banking credentials and verify that you have a stable internet connection through your hotspot. Step 9. Proceed with your Zelle transaction, whether sending or receiving money, using the mobile hotspot connection. Step 10. Remember to disable the hotspot when finished to conserve battery life and data usage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.